Hello, Stephanie Diaz here, the cookie runner and also the founder of Correr Retreats, coming at you with this week's theme, which I think is really appropriate for all of us given that school has just started, and even if you don't have kids, you're affected by traffic related to school starting. So the theme this week is called reset, and it's all about being curious as to where are those spaces, places in your life where you would benefit from a reset. Now, a reset doesn't have to be anything big. It can be something as small as giving yourself 5 to 10 breaths to reset the mood or to reset your mind frame, your emotional state. For me, the breath and movement are two of my biggest reset practices. It's where I'm able to kind of put a pause on everything else that's happening and come back to myself, to ground into my body, and to just change the energy of what's going on around me. The other big reset that we all share in and we all experience is sleep. Sleep at the end of the day, day's over. Sleep, reset to a new day, new opportunities to do something different, or maybe to do more of the same, but with a different perspective. So tune into those moments this week where you can reset and then get curious as to what you can do to experience those resets. Life is hard, but when we breathe and we move and we rest, we're able to restore ourselves, resettle our nervous systems, and come back to ourselves. So I'll see you next week. Bye.